Hey guys, it's February 9th, and today I'm going to show you another Valentine's Day charm that I'm going to do. I'd like to make a Valentine's Day charm for my grandfather, and he is a very active and hands-on kind of person. So I want to consider, that's something that he would carry around on a keychain because these are meant to be like keychain charms. And for him, I think I would like to make a tiny hammer. Um, so I've made up a bit of gray clay that is just mixed together some black and some white until I got gray. And I've also taken a brown and a tan clay and just sort of lightly mixed them together so that they're not blended. That's going to be the wood for the handle of the hammer. So the first thing that I would like to do is take and make the head of the hammer. To do that, I want to just sort of square up this piece of gray clay. Go. So in squaring the clay, I'm just taking and flattening it to one side and then turning it and flattening to the other side and then turning until I've got something that's pretty square, actually. Then I want to take and angle one end so that it's got an angle on it, and then take that end and bend it down a little bit. Actually, first, before I bend that down a little bit, I think I want to go put a split down the center of it. There we go. And then the other side too, so that it's good and defined. And then take and angle it down just a little bit, so that gives me the claw part of the hammer. Then I want to take the other end and just lightly mold it inward. Go. So that it pulls itself away from the body of the hammer. Well, from the body of the head of the hammer, anyway. There we go. And then what I want to do, because I can't just make it a hammer, I want to make the head of the hammer a heart shape. And he'll just have to deal with it. So I'm going to pinch the bottom end and divot the top end, and then just sort of flatten it up. Go. See if I can't do that a little bit better. I want to divot, and I do want to divot the top end first, I think, because the bottom end I need to press on in order to divot it, and then I lose the point. So I'll divot the top end first. There we go. And then press on the bottom end, and then flatten it out. And that is a heart. All right. And then I just have to add the handle. So the handle needs to go all the way through the head without actually going through the head. And I do have it rolled out already. So what I would like to do is hold it up to this, and yeah, that's a good length. So I'm going to cut the end first because I want the top to be flat, and then cut it again because it's going to go on either end of the hammer. So one side will get that piece, and the other side will get that piece. And then, to make sure that everything stays together and stays in place, I am going to run my eye pin straight down through it, through the whole thing. Now, obviously I'm going to have to pull my eye pin out after baking it and then glue everything back in, but it'll hold it very securely once the eye pin is glued in. So that is going to be a major plus. And I think for the handle I want it to tilt slightly back and then slightly forward. There we go. All right, and then just leaving it lying down, taking the eye pin parallel to the table, and trying to run it through straight without messing anything up too badly. Aha! There we go. And that's it. One hammer with a heart-shaped head and a faux wood grain handle. There we go. There's the heart. There's the hammer. All right, and this has been February 9th. I have been having a lot of fun making these little charms for my family, and I hope that you guys are enjoying them too. I look forward to seeing what you have to say about the hammer with the heart-shaped head. And if you do have something, if you'd like to share with me, leave a comment below because I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.